Hi there! The biggest problem with smaller TVs are that they usually have poor audio. Sometimes they're not loud enough, sometimes they're not clear, and mostly no bass. See, it's simple physics. There just isn't enough room in here for bigger, better speakers. So the simplest solution is get a soundbar. But what if you have a 32-inch TV like this or a 43-inch TV? You can't get a 50-inch long soundbar for that. Well, Zebronics has just the thing for you. Here is the Zeb Juke Bar 4050. Now it's a compact soundbar with a dedicated subwoofer which should provide that much needed thumpy bass that everyone loves. We've actually already unboxed it. Here is the soundbar itself and here is the subwoofer. Now it's priced at $4,999, which makes it even more compelling buy. Can't wait to check it out. I'll take you through the quick unboxing, show you what we get inside, and I'll share my experiences so you can decide if this soundbar is perfect for your TV or not. Let's begin. So here's the box packaging of the Zeb Juke Bar 4050. You can see the image of the soundbar with the subwoofer with some of its key features. Behind we see some of the specs, 75 watts output, dimensions of the soundbar and the subwoofer, some manufacturing details and the MRP of $9,999. Alright, let's open it up. So here's everything that you get inside the box. This is the subwoofer, here is the soundbar, then you have two AAA batteries for the remote, you have wall mount brackets if you want to wall mount the soundbar, then here is the power adapter, then you have an aux cable, then you have a really smart idea, a QR code which you can scan to access the user manual. Not only is this convenient but it also saves paper. And finally the remote. So here is the soundbar remote, very nice infrared minimalistic design. Right on the top is the power button, input button, mute button. You can control the volume from here. You can change pause songs, treble control, then you have bass control and equalizer pairing. Really nice, convenient and light remote. So Zebronics does provide this RC aux cable which works for some old TVs that lack an HDMI port, and that's really good. However, it would have been even great if they also provide an HDMI cable. Anyway, it's not a big deal. I'll link a few in the description if you like to buy one. Now, coming to the build and design. And we'll start with the soundbar and I'll just hold the soundbar in my hand to give you some context of its size. Now it's really compact and it weighs just about 850 grams. The length of this soundbar is 16 inches while the height is just 3 inches. So if it's actually kept in front of the TV, it's not even blocking the TV, which is the best part. The build is mostly plastic, but on the front is a metal mesh grille with Zebronics branding. The top is absolutely clean with a glossy finish. On the right side are 3 buttons, the power button on the top and the volume rockers up and down. Then all the ports are towards the back, starting with the subwoofer input port, power input, USB port, aux input, optical and HDMI ARC. Coming to the subwoofer. So this too is pretty compact, standing at just 14 inches tall and 7.5 inches in depth. The build quality is truly impressive. You can barely spot any seams and the matte texture really gives you that premium feel. Very clean. Zebronics logo right in the center. Then you can spot the single speaker on the side which is covered by this mesh fabric. And finally at the back is a small bass reflex cone and a wire below to connect the soundbar. The soundbar comes with two 15-watt drivers and the subwoofer comes with one 45-watt driver, giving you a total of 75 watts. Now to set up this soundbar with the TV, I would request you would check out the HDMI ARC. It would be really ideal preference of input. Not only will that provide the best quality of audio, but you will also be able to control the audio with your TV's remote. So for example, if you're turning off the TV with the TV's remote or turning it on, the soundbar will also turn on and off accordingly. Similarly, if you increase or decrease the volume using the TV's remote, the volume on the soundbar can also be adjusted automatically with it. So that's very convenient. So let's set it up. Now connect the subwoofer cable to the soundbar and the power input port as well. You can see a red LED light in the center. Now you can turn on the soundbar by pressing the button on the side or from the remote. To toggle input ports, you have to use the remote. The color of the LED lights will change, representing different inputs. Alright, time for a demo. So first we'll be playing music from my phone that is connected to the soundbar via Bluetooth.
low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you win. Easier to break it off best friend.
Oh my god, the soundbar gets really loud. And the best part is there's no distortion even at 80 to 90% volume. The bass too does a really good job. It's punchy and deep for a medium-sized room. Now you can also plug in a pen drive and the music will automatically start playing. It's perfect for those house parties. The audio quality here too was very impressive. Now a demo when the soundbar is connected to the TV via HDMI ARC.
कि जो कुछ ये पूरा घटनाक्रम हो रहा है, महुआ मोइत्रा ने जो बयान दिया, ये फिल्म का जो पोस्टर आया, आरजेडी का इस पर ऑफिशियल स्टैंड क्या आप इसे मानते हैं ये गलत है?
Cover's blown. We're burned. What do? The movie star's gonna melt. You stop Daddy Francesco. You stop Greg Simmons. You let me worry about that.
So as I said before, if you have a TV that doesn't get loud, this is exactly what you're looking for. The vocals are so clear and very crisp. If you watch a lot of news and you want those clear vocals, this is the thing for you. Now, if you also love watching movies and listening to music, this soundbar will provide that much needed depth. The bass is surprisingly good for a subwoofer that is so small. It will surely turn your room to a theatre. However, since the soundbar drivers are so close to each other, then left and right channel separation isn't going to be the best. But frankly, that would be just nitpicking as they actually sound really good. Now, if you're looking for a small, compact, yet powerful soundbar for your TV or home, this is definitely the one you should go for. It's priced at $4,999 and it's available to buy from Flipkart starting today. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.